Moroccan fish marinade, the secret to perfectly seasoned fish. Have you ever wondered how Moroccan cooks turn a simple fish into a dish packed with incredible flavor? The secret is often in the marinade. Moroccan fish is famous for its fresh herbs, aromatic spices, garlic, olive oil, and a touch of lemon. And the best part is that this simple marinade can be used with almost any type of fish. Today, I'll show you how to make a delicious Moroccan-style fish marinade, the exact ingredients you need, and how to use it with different types of fish. So let's get started. The Moroccan fish marinade. For about 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of fish, you will need 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, finely crushed 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a small pinch of chili pepper, optional, 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest, optional. These simple ingredients create a rich, aromatic marinade with the distinctive flavors of Moroccan cuisine. Bowl with spoon. How to make the marinade. Start by adding the olive oil and fresh lemon juice to a bowl. Then add the crushed garlic, chopped cilantro, and parsley. Next, add the cumin, paprika, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. If you enjoy spicy food, add a small pinch of chili pepper. Mix everything together very well until all the ingredients are combined and you have a fragrant, colorful marinade. The secret is not using too many spices. It is about finding the right balance. The olive oil helps carry the flavors, the lemon adds freshness, the garlic and fresh herbs provide aroma, while the cumin, paprika, ginger, and turmeric give the fish its Moroccan character. How to marinate any type of fish. First, clean the fish thoroughly and pat it dry with paper towels. This step is important because dry fish absorbs the marinade much better. If you are using a whole fish, make a few shallow cuts on both sides with a sharp knife. These cuts allow the marinade to penetrate deeper into the flesh. Now rub the marinade generously over the entire fish. Make sure both sides are well covered. If you are cooking a whole fish, don't forget to place some of the marinade inside the cavity. If you are using fish fillets or steaks, coat both sides evenly. Alarm clock. How long should you marinate the fish? For most types of fish, 20 to 30 minutes is enough. For thicker pieces of fish, you can marinate them for up to 1 hour in the refrigerator. Try not to leave the fish in lemon juice for too long. The acidity of the lemon can change the texture of the fish and make the surface firmer. The goal is to add flavor while keeping the fish tender and delicate. How to cook Moroccan-style marinated fish. There are several delicious ways to cook your marinated fish. Grilled fish. Preheat your grill and place the marinated fish on the hot surface. Cook until the fish is tender and develops a beautiful golden color. This method works especially well with sardines, sea bream, sea bass, and whole fish. Oven-baked fish. Place the fish in a baking dish. For extra flavor, add slices of lemon, onion, bell peppers, or tomatoes around the fish. Bake until the fish is completely cooked and lightly golden on top. Fried fish. You can also use this marinade for fried fish. However, because the fish will be fried, avoid using too much lemon juice before cooking. After marinating, gently dry the surface of the fish and coat it with flour or your preferred coating before frying. Hot pepper. Adjusting the marinade for different fish. Different types of fish can benefit from slightly different flavors. For mild white fish, use a little less cumin and ginger and allow the fresh herbs and lemon to stand out. For sardines, you can increase the garlic, cumin, cilantro, and chili for a stronger Moroccan flavor. For oily fish, lemon, garlic, cilantro, and cumin create a wonderful balance. And for grilled fish, a little extra paprika and turmeric can help create a beautiful golden color. The Moroccan touch, chermoula. If you want an even more authentic Moroccan flavor, try adding some Moroccan chermoula to your fish. Chermoula is one of the most popular Moroccan marinades for seafood. It combines fresh herbs, garlic, spices, olive oil, and lemon to create a bright and aromatic flavor. It is especially delicious with grilled or baked fish. White mediums are the secret to great Moroccan fish. You don't need dozens of ingredients to make delicious Moroccan fish. The basic formula is simple. Olive oil, garlic, lemon, cilantro, parsley, cumin, paprika, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. With this combination, you can marinate almost any type of fish and create a flavorful dish inspired by the traditional Moroccan kitchen. But remember one important rule. The purpose of the marinade is to enhance the flavor of the fish, not to completely hide it. Use your spices in balance, let the fresh ingredients shine, and allow the natural flavor of the fish to remain at the heart of the dish. Clapperboard outro. And there you have it, a simple and delicious Moroccan-style fish marinade that you can use with almost any type of fish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more delicious recipes and food stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Enjoy your meal, or as we say in Morocco, bon appetit. Morocco.